Welcome back. I'm E.Reap and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today we have another pickup for the year 2022. So far so good this year for me anyways. This shoe right here though, I had to put in some work to get it. And initially I did not want this shoe. You know. So let me go ahead and get into the shoe first and then, the story time and all of that. So shout out to Shoe City, man. It was crazy because the shoe restocked online, and of course, you know how everything sells out online. And they randomly popped up on the website and then you can look for like in store or whatever. So I probably show the screen recording right here. So of course I clicked on the size 12, check in store availability, and all I see is red out of stock everywhere. So I'm scrolling, and then blue popped up, and I was like, hold on, let me check the location. And then, of course, the only store on the East Coast was a local store. And, I tried to call and everything, they don't answer. So the next day, I just pulled up. Before I get finished that, let me go ahead and show you everything. Get your New Balance box. BB550 HL1, $110, which is kind of crazy because I think every retailer had their own price for this shoe. I know Zumiez dropped them and they were $99, but whatever. A $10 difference is not a big deal in the grand scheme of things. Whew. These joints are clean. That New Balance 550 and that Houston Oilers blue. You know what I'm saying? So I pulled up to Shoe City, right? And I'm looking around, and then these were like on the top shelf next to a Oilers Just Don fitted or whatever, like a display joint, So retail, you got to market and everything. So I asked one of the sales associates, I was like, yo, can I get those white and blue New Balances in the 12? And she was like, oh, the 992s. I was like, hold on, what? No, the 550s. And she looked at me like I was crazy. I'm like, yo, the joint's up there. She was like, yo, when did we get those? I didn't even know we had those. Then she asked the cashier or whatever if they had a size run. And she was like, yeah. I was like, yeah, I know y'all got this 12. I looked online. I know they didn't sell out that fast. So it was just a crazy 24 hours with me trying to cop these shoes. From actually striking out online everywhere to finding these randomly on shoecity.com in my size locally. And then I was able to cop, man. But like I said, I wasn't a fan of this particular colorway at first because I'm a Duke fan, so anything associated with that other team in North Carolina, I'm not really a fan of. But the more I was looking at it, I was like, yo, I think I could rock these with my Titans and Oilers gear. But I wasn't sure. Because the first shoe that I was trying to cop were those Nike Dunks in the same colorway. But then one game, there's a lot of glue on these joints. Let me check the other one. But before one game, man, Bud Dupree, he had on, that ski mask, and he had a throwback Steve McNair jersey with those Nike Dunks. And then that just like solidified what I was thinking. This is a clean shoe that I can't even lie. So I was like, okay, well, that just solidified it. So anytime something of this colorway drops, I'm definitely going to try to copy it, if I like it, of course. So I was like, I'm pretty sure that's going to rock with the Oilers gear. So as you can see, I can definitely get away with that. And if that doesn't work, I can definitely get away with this joint. The throwback Eddie. The Tennessee legend. So I was like, yeah, definitely got to try my hand, man. Like I said, it was a crazy story, crazy cop. This is a clean shoe in general, not just its colorway. But I'm a fan of more of the simple joints, like the solid color, white, cream, or whatever, and then you have your accent color. I know they have like the 3-color one, like the shifted sport pack. I'm not really a fan. But just give me the classic white, red, green, yellow, orange, purple, blue, black, whatever. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the 550s, man. I know they're gaining popularity, and I'm not sure if it's because of the price point or people like genuinely like them. I genuinely like them. You know, I got the white and orange pair as well. That should pop up right there. Hopefully, I got it right this time. I have yet to get the pointing right, so hopefully it's right there. But yeah, man, this is a lot of glue. So I guess quality control is not just bad with Nike. New Balance got to step up as well, but they're going straight to the toe, no resale for these anyway. So you know how we get down over here, man. We buy what we like and we rock them. Unless it's not my size and it happens to fall in my lap, then gotta do what you gotta do. But that's not the goal for me doing sneaker releases. But yeah, now I'm rambling, man. I hope y'all enjoy. I guess it's probably dropped tomorrow, so enjoy your Monday. Definitely trying to go ahead and shoot this and edit it so I can watch some playoff football. Y'all know we got that #1 seed, so we got to bye this week. So I'll just be watching the games as a fan and see potential matchups for us next week. So yeah, great day to be a Titans fan. Got my Oilers joint, so I might have to rock these next week or something. I don't know, man. We'll see how it goes. If I'm off work, I might have to take off. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, man. If you haven't done so already, drop a comment what you think about these or just the shoe in general. Let me know what team you're rooting for, if you're a football fan or if you're just picking somebody because of playoffs. Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and definitely run up the likes on this video, man. On to the next one.